Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are going to be showing you how to make buttery kimchi shrimp. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for joining. If this is your first time joining us, please do me a favor, head down to the corner, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, well you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make buttery kimchi shrimp. So let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. I have got about a pound of some shrimp that's peeled and deveined. I got the tails on. I've got about a cup of kimchi that we've ground up in our food processor. I've got about 3 tablespoons of some butter, about a tablespoon of garlic chopped up, about a tablespoon of ginger chopped up. I have a little bit of some red pepper flakes, about a half of a lime, and some cilantro and salt and pepper that is not in the picture, but we're going to be using it while we saute this up. Let's head over to the stove and start doing it. Alright, we've got our mise en place back there. We've got our salt and pepper, shrimp, butter, garlic, ginger, red pepper flakes, lime, and our kimchi, which I ground up in the food processor, front and center. We've got a nice little skillet here that we're going to use for this to hold our ingredients. So let's go ahead by just dropping the butter in. Let that melt. Alright, our butter has started to melt all the way completely. Just going to dump that shrimp right in there and let this cook. You want to get it one layer so it all cooks evenly. And now at this time I'm also going to add the ginger and the garlic. Whoop. And our red pepper flakes. Now if you don't know what kimchi is, it's a pickled cabbage. It's a Korean dish. You can find it in most of your grocery stores in the produce aisle, or if there's a specialty area you might find it in there. It is in the refrigerated area. All I did was put it in my food processor and I pulsed it up until I got a nice paste like this. If you don't have that, or a mortar and pestle or whatever, well, I guess a mortar and pestle wouldn't. If you don't have a food processor, you can surely put it on a cutting board and mince it up really good by hand. But it might take a while, but it will do the trick. Alright, so the fragrances are all mixed in there. The ginger and the garlic. We got a medium heat. I'm going to go ahead and put our paste, kimchi paste, right in here. And we're just going to mix it all up. I'm going to squeeze a little bit of lime in there. Mix that up. And we're just going to put a lid on this and let it cook. Alright, we got bubbles everywhere. The shrimp is hot. I should have said that, not to let it cook, but to let it get hot. This is pre-cooked shrimp. I should have mentioned that in the beginning. It just makes this a quick and easy meal. If you want to buy raw shrimp, peel and devein them, then go ahead and do that. But this is for a quick and easy meal. You've been working all day, you want to come home and just throw something together. There you go. This is cooked shrimp, so please don't leave a comment in the comment section correcting me. And I'm going to add the cilantro in here. Stir it one more time. Now we'll let this continue to get hot. After that's done, we're going to throw it on a plate. We are going to take some awesome photos up for social media. We're going to throw those pictures into the timeline with some groovy music. And then we're going to come back and we're going to give this a taste. Don't go anywhere. Beautiful photos there. Now let's try out this shrimp here. Dripping off that juicy goodness. Buttery right off the bat. That heat from that kimchi is coming through. It's not as hot as I thought it would be. There are different flavors of kimchi, from mild to hot. Just pick your own too. Getting notes of citrus from that lime, the cilantro. Yeah, the heat's coming up now. This would be good with a little rice or some noodles, or served by itself. With that heat in there and the ginger and the garlic, this would be a perfect meal for if you're sick. So I'll give this a try. I apologize for the confusion on the shrimp. I am using pre-cooked, deveined, and peeled shrimp. I think I said to buy raw shrimp. So you can use either one. If you know how to peel and devein them, go for it. All right, well, thanks a lot for joining. We made buttery kimchi shrimp. Go ahead and give this a try. It's very, very good. Thanks a lot for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Go ahead and like this video, leave a comment down below, and then by all means share this video with everybody that you know. Thanks a lot. Stay safe. We'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.